Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to go off-roading in this 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor with the 37-inch pack. As you can see, already plenty dirty because I'm filming some stuff for the review. But in this POV test drive, like I said, we go off-roading. We got a little bit of like faster, kind of Baja-ish off-roading. Then we're going to go trail uphill, so it's going to be a little slow speed. Then we're going to reverse all that, going downhill on the trail, and then back here on the little Baja bit. Of course, we're in Ontario and Southern Ontario, so we don't have like deserts or anything. But I still think we got plenty to kind of showcase what this Raptor is capable of. And of course, if you end up liking this POV test drive, make sure to check out my full review, which is on the top right-hand corner, where we talk about everything, interior, exterior. We drive it on the road, we drive it off-road here, and I give you a bit more of an opinion. And at the end, we're going to sum it all up and see if this Raptor is worth $111,000 Canadian, or if you should spend your money in a different way. With that being said, I say we get right started, eh? Okay, so you will have a few rattles probably because I got water bottles because I'm spending the day here, and you gotta stay hydrated because it's actually very exhausting. But let's start her up. There we go. And also, I am kind of an off-road novice, but this is a very easy trail for a Raptor. But if you haven't, like if you see anything, like you don't need to talk down on me. If you got constructive feedback, put it down in the comments. I'd love to learn. Okay? We're just having a little fun here. Anyhow, I would say we go get started. Let's put into Baja mode. Baja mode. Which, as you can see, instantly will enable us the camera up front, which will stay on. We have the info here. Everything is on Baja mode, including the exhaust. Let's get started. As you can see, stupidly capable. Now we're going to go a little slower because we're going to go into the trail area. This is starting off very easy, and then it's going to go a little harder and harder. Do want to open the window for that because we want to have a look outside. Let's go into a different mode. We want to go into no, let's go into deep snow sand. No, let's stay in Baja. Okay, got a little rock there, no problem. Now I got some ruts and some holes, and we got a vehicle up ahead. Let's see if they can make it. Otherwise this would be very uncomfortable because we'll have to reverse all the way. Actually, we could probably turn around here. Let's see. Is that an escape? I know, something definitely less capable, and that can show you here. Just watching out for the lugs. We'll find we got some stones and rocks up ahead. Let's pick this right lane here. Scrape around the butt. Actually, we can probably go left. Okay. Like I said, I haven't driven it uphill yet. I think it was a Land Rover, by the way. I've driven it downhill, and here we're just going nice and slow, right? On a trail. The camera is really helpful. Got to be a little mindful here, and we want to put our window up because that is going to slap in our face, perhaps. So we have a little bit of a. No, sorry, Raptor. I'm sorry, but you're just so wide. That's what you're made for. Okay, there you go. On my way down, I already had to remove a little, tiny tree that fell down. Well, not really a tree, but get the idea. Let's go around the left side. Slow and steady wins the race. We won't even need low here, I think, but we got four-wheel low and all-wheel. Four-wheel drive low if we need it. Don't think we'll need it though. This will be fine. You can see we can just 8 kilometers an hour, 10 kilometers an hour, so like 6 miles an hour, and we got very solid drive here through this little trail. Okay. Keeping eyes up. Okay, and as you can see, no problem whatsoever for the Raptor. But it's fun. This is just a good time, honestly. And we're gonna turn around up here, and then we're gonna do the whole thing again, just back down. Okay, let's turn around. It is getting quite warm in here. When I have my ventilated seats on again. Turn on the AC more. It's not even that warm. It's like 5 degrees Celsius out there, so it's you know, a bit over freezing, couple degrees over freezing. But just off-roading is you know, it's intense sometimes. Dangerous, unmaintained road. Of course, the Raptor's more made for Baja stuff, less for trail driving. That's what you can bet a Bronco for example, in the Ford lineup, or if you like a Wrangler. But it's definitely capable enough to do both very well, and it's unrivaled in Baja racing. And then like Baja driving, no other stock vehicle is as good as that. I'm looking forward to the Bronco Raptor though. See how that does. And now we go downhill. Okay, and once again, slow and steady wins the race. Go up to the right a little. We got that rock down there. We find, oh yeah, easy clear. 14 degrees of banking right now. 12 degrees downhill. Avoid that piece of wood on the right. And as soon as we clear that, we're clear. Let's keep her to the right because there are bigger rocks coming. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. And I mean, we're not even going to rock crawl, right? Like, this could do much worse terrain, but it's a nice little mixture here. And that's what I meant. Because we are kind of filling this up the whole way. You'll see it when we go this way around. Then we'll have to stay within the confines here of this, because we don't want to go down there, especially with that boulder. Or is it a boulder already, or is it still a rock? It's probably still a rock. Okay, all good. Alrighty. We got this big one in the middle there. Just gonna go on the right. Okay. Okay. That's the one I already put to the side when I got here. As you can see, even faster speeds, no problem. Now one go slow. This one's kind of like the most annoying spot because we got to go really deep into these here to clear that. Okay. with a faster speed here in a second. Okay, clear this hill. And then we got our friend from Sam Car Legion in the Tremor. We're just gonna say hello to them, and that's it with our POV test drive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of off-roading we did right here. And like I said, we got the full review just in the top right-hand corner, so make sure to check that out. Well, somewhere on your screen right now. One more view. And yeah, check out the full review about this Ford F-150 Raptor.